Welcome back to Raching Cars, your ultimate pit stop for automotive thrill, deep dives, and top-tier builds. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive ride into the 2025 Toyota Fortuner Legender, but not just any version, the modern modified beast that blends rugged performance with futuristic style and unmatched luxury. Let's dive into every detail of this next-level transformation. This 2025 Fortuner Legender has undergone a serious visual overhaul. The front end now boasts an aggressive custom grille with a gloss black finish, flanked by sharp LED projector headlamps featuring dynamic indicators and redesigned DRLs. The bumper has been reworked to host integrated LED fog lamps and a splitter that adds both function and flair. Along the sides, massive 21-inch deep dish alloys wrapped in low-profile off-road rubber dominate the road, while wide fender flares and carbon fiber side steps enhance its muscular profile. At the back, smoked-out tail lights, a custom diffuser, and a quad-tip exhaust setup create a high-performance visual impact, finished off with a roof-mounted spoiler and shark fin antenna. Under the hood, the 2.8L turbo diesel engine gets a performance remap, pushing it beyond its stock 201 bhp and 500 Nm torque. Paired with a Stage 1 AQ tune, custom intercooler, and high-flow exhaust, this Fortuner roars with newfound aggression and acceleration. The 6-speed automatic transmission has been recalibrated for faster shifts, and a race-inspired paddle shift system gives the driver tighter control. Suspension gets a major upgrade with Fox off-road adjustable COI levers, improving both off-road agility and on-road comfort. Inside, it's a tech-savvy, luxury fortress. The seats are reupholstered in diamond-stitched Napa leather with heating, ventilation, and electric adjustability. The dashboard features carbon fiber inserts, a massive 14-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an upgraded 12-speaker JBL sound system. A fully digital instrument cluster, panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, and a new Starlight roof ceiling create a premium vibe. Even the steering wheel is reworked with Alcantara wrap and custom stitching. Safety and tech features include a 360-degree surround view camera, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking. Red Brembo calipers clamp down on ventilated discs, bringing high-performance stopping power into play. That's the 2025 modified Fortuner Legender, power-packed, street-smart, and luxury-loaded. If you're a fan of performance builds that don't compromise comfort or style, this ride is pure perfection. Thanks for tuning into Raching Cars. Hit that like button, subscribe, and stay locked for more stunning machines and custom upgrades. Until next time, drive hard and stay sharp.